Okay, Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Fadhi bin Ahmad Farid. My metric number is 2019597213. I'm from SR2435S2B. Okay, my topic for the research is match analysis in football. The relationship between the time scoring, shoot to the goal, and first goal scoring to win the game between winning and losing team in FIFA World Cup 2018. Okay. Okay, for the background of the study is about the analysis in a football game. So, as mentioned at the topic, the game chosen is FIFA World Cup 2018. So, there is a performance indicator we'll use to perform in this study. So, the independent variable is the performance indicator, and the dependent variable is between winning and the losing team. So as I mentioned, there is a performance indicator to perform this study. There are three performance indicator, which is goal scoring time, shooting to the goal post, and also first goal of the match. So in this research, only these three will be analyzed between the winning and the losing team. Okay, as stated by Horsham 2013, the winning team creates more attempt on the target than the lose of the team. Muhammad et al. 2015 also stated that the losing team had scored at the beginning of the second half. Okay, we go to the statement of problem. Okay, for the first problem is the player do not know the time scoring during the match. Okay, by conduct a research or do the research, the player does not know the exactly time that they have to score the goal. Okay, as said by a book which is proceeding of the second international colloquium on sport science, exercise engineering and technology 2015. In the book state that the winning team tend to score a goal between minute 76 to minute 90. It means the 15 minute before the game end. Okay. The next is the player do not know the area shooting in order to score a goal. So the goal post of the opponent is divided by six area. So the sixth area, which is the area that the attacker always shooting to the goal post. So based on the journal, the player need to shoot to the goal post, which is the position of the player is not too far from the goalkeeper and not too far from the goal post. And for the last one, the player spiritual toward the first goal. Okay, for example, the winning team score the first goal, but of course the winning team is more spiritual compared to the losing team players, right? But so in this research we will conduct, is there any uh, chances to winning the game by scoring the first goal? Okay, if this research can solve this problem, so the player will not afraid if their opponent team score the first goal. Okay, next we will go to the research objective. For my first research objective is to identify the high chances time for goal scoring between losing and winning team in FIFA World Cup 2018. For the second research objective is to compare the shooting on the goal post between the losing and winning team in FIFA World Cup 2018. And for my third research objective is to investigate the association between scoring and first goal and winning the game in FIFA World Cup 2018. Okay, next we will go to significance of study. For the first point, they can use this study for their team to get improved performance result in the competition. Okay, the coaches need to do some research, and if the coaches find this research, so the coaches know when the time for their players to score the goal. For example, like I said before, the winning team tend to score a goal 15 minutes before the end of the game. So the coaches can prepare their team to score a goal in between that time. Okay, next, this study gave much benefit to coaches to make sure they perform during their match by giving additional data for the coach to examine. Player also got the benefit of this study by trying to score as early as they can. In this point, another article state that the player need to score the goal as fast as they can in order to they win the game. Okay, next, the study will also help to motivate them to improve their technical and tactical skill to make sure they can get victory at the end of the match. The result of the study will give information to the coaches to improve their team performance. Okay, next we will go to the literature review. The chances of the winning team to win the game will be probably high if the shooting on goal is more than the losing team. This is because when you it is only the probability. If the team always attack the goalkeeper, the chances of or the probability of the team that have more attempt shoot to the goalpost will be higher compared to the losing team. Okay, next, the most area of the shooting team will have a huge impact on the winning team. Okay, the first goal independent variable and found a link between the first goal and the outcome of the match, stated by Inan et al. 2018. The winning team also used more players than the opponent in attacking action. It means when the winning team attack to the opponent goal post, it means in that area, winning team has more is no has many player compared to losing team when they are attacking to the when they are attacking to their opponent. Okay, Hosham in 2013 stated that the winning team create more attempt on the target than the loss of the team. It has been stated by Hosham in 2013. Okay, for the methodology, for the research design, this study is a causal comparative study because it's compare between winning and the losing team, which is two group. The study will be observed by watching all the videos and the variable which is goal scoring, shoot on the target, and scoring the first goal of the team. This is as I stated at the research objective. Okay, for the sampling, this study used purposive sampling because the target population has been recognized. That football team that we choose is the team that qualify to from quarter final to final team. Next, purposive sampling represent a group of a different non-probability sampling technique, also known as judgment, selective, or subjective sampling. This means the sampling we have selective, which is the team that have qualified to the quarterfinal. Purposive sampling relies on the judgment of the researcher when it's come to selecting the units. Okay, full video for all 8 matches from quarterfinal to final match. This means the match from quarterfinal to final match is only 8 match, so all the 8 match will be analyzed. Next, we will be go to instrumentation. Okay, for the first one is football.net website. Football.net is the video sharing website that has been used by the user to watch video. The website upload all the matches video in all football tournaments and allow the user to upload, watch, and comment. At this website, it has been secure. You need to sign in your Google, and then you can watch the all football matches in this website, and then you are allowed to comment, upload or watch, and you can save the video in your laptop. So this easy the researcher when they do analysis in a game. The researcher can stop the video, can rewind the video in this case. Next is hand notational analysis. Hand notational analysis is a way to measure the performance indicator to detect the performance. Hand notational analysis is a manual way without using any application to calculate the performance indicator. It means the first when the researcher see the video, it will calculate the data that have been by only using hand without use any application. For the last one is performance indicator. When a team is scoring a goal, this means the ball goes inside a pair of posts linked by a crossbar and typically with a net. For the shooting to the goal post, the area of the field are divided into 6 areas. As you can see in the image, for the area 1 is the top left area of the goalpost. Area 2 the top middle area of the goalpost. Top 3 the top right area 3 top right area of the goalpost. Area 4 the bottom left area of the goalpost. Area 5 the bottom middle area of the goalpost, and area 6 the bottom right area of the goalpost. Okay. A first goal of the matches in every match is recorded to make a relationship between the association scoring the first goal and winning the team. Okay, next we will go to the data collection procedure. Okay, first one is ethic approval is from the Committee of Faculty of Sports Science and Recreation of University Technology Mara, which is UITM, and then identify the full match video. For this in this research, 8 total full video have been identified, which is the quarter final to final match in FIFA World Cup 2018. Access the video suitably needed. So in this case, the website are used to access the video and download the video in order to watch the video. Analyze the video. Analyze the video. So the researcher need to watch the video and need to data collection and analysis. When the researcher have analyzed the video, the researcher collect the data that match with the research objective, and then after data collection and analysis, so the analysis is by use as by use the SPSS, which is IBM, as in order to run the data that have been collected, and then report writing. Report writing is discuss the conclusion, and the conclusion must based on research objective, does the research objective is met or not. Okay, next we will go to the data analysis. Descriptive statistic is used to analyze the performance indicator. This is the first data analysis that we will do. Next, we will non-parametric statistic test, which is Wilcoxon sign rank test used to investigate the significant difference of performance indicators. After that, within group analysis for winning and losing team, Friedman tests have been used. And for the last one, post hoc test using Wilcoxon sign rank test is used to seek the differences within the group. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you.